quick video talking about the max int value in Python. So this is going to be different depending on whether you're using Python 2 or Python 3. So let's just show you this really quick. So essentially in Python 3 it's unbounded, so it's actually going to be limited by the word size of the interpreter, of the Python interpreter, and it's usually going to be dependent on the physical machine you're running on. And it's the maximum representable value will generally be in a variable called sys max size, and it's going to be that value times 2 plus 1. Now Python 2, the max value it can be found in the sys max int variable, right? So and I have this little code block here in our document. Anyway, shortest document, shortest Python tutorial ever. So let's say Python 2. Let's run Python 2 just to show you. So let's say sys, import sys and sys dot max int, right? And you will notice that that's you'll notice the value for that right here. This big long number. So that is and that's looks like the same number I put in my document here. So that's nice. Nice that we got the right value. What else? Let's try Python 3. So I was running the Python 2 interpreter. Let's try running the Python 3 interpreter. All right, so here we go. Now sys, we're gonna check. Let's first import sys, and we're gonna say sys dot max size, and that's going to give us this big long number, which actually turns out to be the same number that we had in Python 2. Which is not a huge surprise. We're running on the same physical machine, but apparently in Python, apparently in Python 3, the max size would be that value times 2 plus 1, which is going to look like this. So that's going to be our max representable size. So there you go. There you have it. Max int size in Python. Hopefully you found this informative. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for way more interesting content than this. We have more, actual advanced. We have some simple tutorials and some advanced tutorials. We cover coding, servers, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, 3D printing, single board computers, and electronics, networking, all sorts of interesting tech stuff you're not going to want to miss. So hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell icon. Leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know. You have any questions, comments, criticisms, whatever you want to say. Leave a comment down below, not just for me, but for the next person who watches this video. And as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time.